This video covers how to remove an old thermostat from the wall. Turn off the power to your thermostat at the breaker. Thermostats come in two parts, a faceplate and a backplate. Start removing the thermostat by carefully pulling the faceplate off the backplate that's on the wall. Some pull straight off. Some have a button at the top that needs to be pressed in. Some pull up from the bottom. Some are installed on a UWP. These examples cover some thermostats, but not all. Once you have removed the faceplate, take a picture of the wires on the backplate. Label and remove the wires from the thermostat unless they are in a UWP. Remove the backplate from the wall. Now, you are ready to install your new thermostat. For more information, please visit Resideo.com.